Hey guys, what's up? Daniel here. Today we're taking a look at the iPhone 11 in the black color. Now, if this is the first video you watch from me, then just to let you know, this is the last video of the iPhone 11 unboxings. I've just unboxed all of these kind of in a row, starting with the purple, I think it was. But I'll have links down below to the beginning of this playlist in the description in case you want to watch all the other unboxings. But this is the black one. Here we have the box. It has kind of like a black iPhone there, black iPhone here. And yeah, nothing special about the boxes. They look very similar to last year's 10R boxes. And honestly, the boxes we've gotten for many years now, because we still have the EarPods, we still have the normal charging brick with the iPhone 11, and then a normal USB to Lightning. So yeah, just got one little plastic here covering the screen. That's all they're covering. Not sure why, but that is what they're doing now. Maybe just, I don't know. I don't know why. But here's the black, and it is super glossy. Definitely the glossiest out of all of these, the one that's gonna get dirtiest the most, the one that's gonna show everything, it's gonna be this one. So this is definitely not for someone that hates fingerprints and stuff. I don't even wanna put my fingers on the back because I'll ruin it. So let's go ahead and put a case on it right now. And you can see, this is probably the worst way to go. I've never been a fan of black phones with clear cases because you can still see everything on the clear case as well. And I don't think it complements it very well. I'll definitely go with like a smoked case, smoked clear, which is kind of like a black clear case, or maybe even something, you know, like this right here. There's many other cases. I'm just showing these two because I wanted to simplify it. I don't want to make the video too long. I think it's very straightforward. This is really what makes like a black phone shine. It's just matted out. If you don't really want anyone to know what phone you have, attract no attention, and just kind of do your own thing, then black is for you. And that looks really good, especially with this matted out camera bump here. I really do like that. We have like space gray lenses here, or trim, as well as the buttons, the bottom. You can see that. It just looks sleek. Just looks like any other phone. And if that's what you want, then this is probably the color you want to get. If you don't want to stand, or if you do want to stand out to some degree, or feel like you do have a new color, switch it up, then you're probably going to want to get one of these, because these are the new colors for the 11 that aren't really noticeable in previous gen iPhones. Maybe the yellow one might look like the 10R. So maybe it even comes down to just these two if you really want to make sure you have an 11. But let's go ahead and put all the colors here now that we haven't opened up in a row here so you guys can see them. Of course, they're all reflective. So this studio lighting, or not lightning, but lighting doesn't help with letting you see that. But let's go ahead and remove the case here on the black one. And then after this video, we're actually going to take a look at two of the iPhone 11 Pros. Let me just stack them so you guys can see them. There's some like cat hairs here. Let's see here. These are the kind of the three, I would feel like the three you would select from if you're going for, I don't know, just not the pastel colors. I think it's between these three. The white kind of goes interchangeably with the two, but you can see these three here in case you're comparing between those. And yeah, all look really good. The black is definitely a deep black in the way that the red is a black. So it's not cloudy or space black or anything like that. The white is white, the black is black, the red is red. The purple, not so purple, the yellow, not so yellow, and the green, not so green. They're all kind of doing their own thing here with the colors, but these definitely do live up to their names. So you can see them right there. And I am going to be doing color comparisons and different lighting conditions and everything. So make sure to subscribe or hit the bell icon so that you actually do get the video or something like that. I don't know. Just stay tuned and I will be doing that video soon. But again, this was just a quick look at the black color and a quick little kind of comparison here with the other colors as well. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I've gone ahead and actually smudged out the phone a little bit so that you guys can see how that looks. Not so pretty. Definitely gets dirty very easily because of that gloss back. Something that's not as noticeable on any of the other colors. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think. What's your favorite color and which one you guys are going to get for the iPhone 11? I know for sure that I would probably go between the white and the purple. And I know that's surprising, but this purple looks really, really good for some reason. Just really liking it. And I think I like the sides of the purple more than the yellow sides, even though I like the back of the yellow more than the back of the purple. So it's, you know, definitely a tough choice, but yeah guys, make sure to stay tuned for the future videos and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye.